Hey, and welcome to the One Room Challenge Week 3. We're so excited. My name is Claire O'Connell, the beating heart behind Renovation of Life over on Instagram and TikTok and here on YouTube. So as you probably know, if you've been following us, we're currently renovating the kids' bathroom. So this is part of the extension in the house. I've put links down below to week 1 and week 2. Now week 3, I thought we would have gotten a lot further than where we are now, but everything in renovating takes time and there's always 3 steps before you get to the next one. So let me share with you what we did. So the first thing we did was we brought up all of the sheets that are going to go in the bathroom. So that includes all of the sheets that you see here. They're really, really long, and I'm going to show you here. We've basically used the hoist to bring them up. They're really heavy. It took us about a day and a half to bring them all into the bathroom. But the most progress that we made this week is up above. So as you can see here, we've actually already now installed. There we go. There's Derek. Hi, Derek. So Derek and I have been working hard. So now we have now put up the entire ceiling, which is very exciting. And then tomorrow we're going to start working on the floor and then the walls, and then it should all start coming together. So I can't believe we're already at week 3. Stay tuned for week 4, where I hope we're going to have a load more progress. And don't forget to check out the design for the vanity below. We've got all of the wood, all of the timbers now. We're actually decided to go with a concrete countertop. So let's all see how that turns out next week. See you later.